Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Gabriella, it's the Gabriella, and I'm at unit apartment 1410, and we're gonna go see, this is a larger one bedroom. By the way, here's what the hallways look like, really crisp, clear, clean, really pretty flooring too. So let's walk in, and it's really cute. I think you're gonna like it. So this is an empty apartment. It's available now. And it's super pretty, so let's look at it. Oh, super adorable. So you can see there's a really pretty little mud room there. It's got a half bath here too. Look at the flooring. I love the flooring in here. Really pretty half bath. That's nice. And then take a look here at the very nice kitchen. The kitchen has a beautiful island. The island's a really nice size. The kitchen is adorable here. It's got just so many cabinets. It's got all the cool appliances you want. It's got a wine fridge, really pretty. And I love just the white cabinets. I love the glass open face cabinets that are here too. So super pretty. And then it does have great views of the city. You can see them. That's Dallas, just right there, downtown Dallas. Just, really close to, just around you. So really nice to see all that. And then it does have a balcony. Let's go take a look at the balcony real quick. Balcony's here. Hey, you can see, man, you've got 75 just right around you. You've got downtown just all around you. This is a great location to start out your life here with a reasonable price, but in a great high rise with the balcony. So beautiful view here. Hey, we're gonna do a part 2, and we're gonna actually go into the bedroom and bath. Let's do that right now. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here in this larger one bedroom at the Gabriella, send me a text. And if you wanna do a virtual tour of available options here, send me a text as well.